Welcome to Wit Warrior. Would you rather? Hardest choices ever. 60 question just 10 seconds. Let's start. Please subscribe. Would you rather eat raw fish or never eat dessert? Would you rather only eat spicy food or only eat boiled egg? Would you rather give up pizza forever or give up burger forever? Would you rather only eat breakfast food or only eat dinner food? Would you rather eat a live insect once or never eat chocolate again? Would you rather only eat food you dislike, never eat favorite food again? Would you rather eat soup for every meal or eat salad for every meal? Would you rather never eat cheese again or never eat bread again? Would you rather only drink water forever or only drink Coca-Cola forever? Would you rather eat expired food once a week or eat hospital fee food forever? Would you rather only eat food that are green or only eat food that are brown? Would you rather eat in complete darkness or eat in total silence? Would you rather only eat frozen meals or only eat canned meals? Would you rather never eat meat again or never eat vegetable again? Would you rather eat a raw egg or eat a spoonful of salt? Would you rather only eat food you cook yourself or only eat takeout forever? Would you rather only eat in public or only eat alone? Would you rather eat spoiled milk once or never drink milk again? Would you rather only eat fast food or only eat homemade food? Would you rather eat a lemon or eat a whole onion? Would you rather never eat breakfast again or never eat lunch again? Would you rather eat a chili or eat a tablespoon of sugar? Would you rather only eat one type of food forever or only eat the same things twice? Would you rather eat food that off the floor or eat food from the trash? Would you rather only eat cold food or only eat hot food? Would you rather eat a whole raw potato or eat a whole raw tomato? Would you rather only eat food that are red or only eat food that are blue? Would you rather eat a week-old sandwich or eat a month-old cookie? Would you rather never use utensil again, never use sauce again? Would you rather only eat sweet food or only eat savory food? Would you rather eat a live worm or eat fried scorpion? Would you rather eat moldy cheese or eat burnt butter? Would you rather eat an entire raw garlic or drink bottle of hot sauce? Would you rather only eat street food or only eat restaurant food? Would you rather never eat fast food again or never eat homemade food again? Would you rather eat while skydiving or eat while underwater? Would you rather eat an entire jar of mayonnaise or eat entire jar of peanut butter? Would you rather only eat food that start with letter C, only eat that start with the letter B? Would you rather eat a scorpion or eat a cockroach? Would you rather only eat with your hand or only eat with chopsticks? Would you rather only drink coffee or only drink soda? Would you rather eat raw food or eat cooked food? Would you rather eat a year-old candy or eat a year-old bread? Would you rather eat an entire raw broccoli head or eat an entire raw cauliflower head? Would you rather eat food in gym or eat food in park? Would you rather never eat chocolate again or eat chocolate every day? Would you rather only eat gluten-free food or only eat sugar-free food? Would you rather eat a tablespoon of cinnamon or eat tablespoon of red chili powder? Would you rather eat food with extra salt or eat food with extra chili flakes? Would you rather eat food in forest or eat food on mountain? Would you rather eat only liquid food or eat only solid food? Would you rather only eat food that is raw or only eat food that is burnt? Would you rather eat a raw onion every day or eat a cloves of garlic every day? Would you rather eat food